be better. Oh, Sue, that was a great idea. Who are these people?
What?
Where did you all come from? Looks like the picnic didn't work out. There are too many people in this park. This is a disaster. Look at that tall tree. Pinky, are you thinking what I'm thinking? A tree house. We need a frame. Sue, this is going to be a masterpiece. There's no task my screwdriver can't handle. And my drill. Vroom, vroom. Done. This rope should hold us. That's it. Now let's go. Let's hang the house on the trunk of the tree. Easy peasy. Nice job. We make a great team. It's time to get cozy. And a soft blanket will do the trick. Sue, I think we have a problem. What do you mean, Pinky? We have a ladder. It's easy to get into the treehouse now. Pinky and Sue are mountain climbers. Oh, it just hit me. How about a stained glass window? No time to explain. I'll just show you. Let's transform old plastic folders. Cut plastic into pieces. Staple them together. Well, Pinky's busy, so is Sue. Let's tie a rope to the tree. And cut a couple of triangles out of colored paper. Let's attach the sails to the wood. Voila! The boat is ready to sail. Pinky has almost everything ready, too. All that's left is to attach the colored ribbons to the frame. 1 ship, 2 ships. Wow! Sue, you got a whole fleet here. Yeah, I love our house. It's a little empty, though. Hey, can you help me with something? Sure, Sue. I've just got some rope. Let's attach the rope like this, and then put the end through the holes in the boxes. Now let's secure the ropes. Plastic ties will work. Done! You can hang the vases. Even better than I thought. The finishing touch to the decor is flowers. The more the better. Perfect! The treehouse transforms right before your eyes. Oh, the sun is blinding. Hey, where are you going? I'll be right back. Whoa, whoa! Ouch! Are you okay, sis? We're going to make a roof. That's right. Why didn't I think of that before? Fasten the fabric to the roof of the house carefully. All right, a little more. Perfect. Now there's no chance of sunstroke. That's right. Don't you think our cabin is missing something?
Ouch!
You're right. Let's fix that. Let's tie a yoga mat with silk ribbon. Like this. And don't forget cushions. The cuteness is off the charts. That's much better. But that's not all. With an easy move, the couch becomes a cozy place to sleep. You just need to untie the bow. Fantastic! Everything brilliant is simple. It's so beautiful here. This is boring. Tell me about it. Oh, I have an idea. What do you mean? Skateboarding. Let me teach you how to ollie. But we're in a tree. Okay, you convinced me. I've got a better idea. Pinky, are you sure it's safe? Oh, yes. Yes, it is. You'll see for yourself. There you go. Let's add some paint. Oh my God! The skateboard swing is on. Pinky, this is awesome. Come on, sis. Try it. I'm flying. Wow, so high. I'm hungry. And there's no money for food. Bingo! We're going to make a business out of lemons. Let's paint the box yellow. How many boxes do we need? 3 boxes is enough. A beautiful sign is the key to successful marketing. All that's left is to decorate the counter. How about some flowers made out of foam paper? Here comes the refreshing lemonade. One last touch and we can take clients. This is delicious. Come and get it. Fresh lemonade. Hurry up. I can't wait to try it. It's refreshing. Can I I have a cup too? Thank you! Have a nice day! It really is! Looks like the lemonade business was a success! What a familiar sound! Hey! It's the ice cream man! Delicious ice cream! Just what you need on a hot summer day! Ice cream! Popsicles! But how can we get ice cream if we're in a tree? Here's an idea! What if we make a rope delivery? You read my mind! Oh! Rope delivery? Wow. That's a great idea! Come on, Pinky! I'm sure we can do it! Take the cash! Hey. We'll have 2 cones! Ice cream delivery is so convenient! Wow. Candy lovers don't even have to come down from the tree! There! Your order is on its way, ladies! See you again! Yummy! And here comes the ice cream! Here you go, Sue! Thanks, Pinky! What bliss! Who's the coolest one here? I am! Love can strike at the most unexpected moment. Oh, that's my favorite track! Yo-yo! Wow! Sue! Look at that handsome boy! He's a real sweetheart! Hey down there! I don't think he can hear us! The faithful sister is coming to the rescue! Paper airplanes are so romantic! But it seems the love message will remain unread. Come on! Look over here! It's like talking to a wall! There's a better way! A quadcopter? That's genius! Now he'll see me for sure! Launch it, Sue! Fly towards my crush! I grew up on the streets! I'm not scared of you freaks! Whoa! What is that? Come on, man! I didn't do anything to you! Oh! Look at you! So easy to scare! Let's just forget about it! What could we do? How about a tree party? Yay! No pool party is complete without balloons! The more balloons, the better! Done! You belong here! Great! It's about time for a little sparkle! This rain would look great in here! Here we go! It's all ready for the guests! Everybody! It's the Smith sisters! Come join us at the party! Games, goodies, and good cheer! All the guests are finally here! Wow! A treehouse! I have been dreaming about this all my childhood! Girls, I suggest we play darts! Let's see who's the best shot here! Sue, you go first! A swing! It's a good time to try it! 1, 2, 3! Bullseye! Guys, don't rock the house! We're going to fall! Uh-oh! Looks like someone's really scared! Come on, Kylie! It's a stone's throw from the ground! Look! It's not that high! It's true! I feel so much better! You know what, girls? We should get going! Weird! Yeah! They don't know anything about real fun! Little sister's already here! Wow! A treehouse! Can I join you? No way! You are too young! Oh yeah? I'll show you! Ready or not, here I come! You should have seen his face! Oh! What is that? Take that, you mean girls! Serves you right! This house is mine now! It's so cozy! Yes! I certainly like it here! The big sisters come in peace. How about some delicious cakes? We brought you some goodies. Would you like some? No way! You think I'm that easy to bribe? Love a Fin Duck or a Poppet. That's it! I've had enough of you! Looks like Pinky and Sue never got their treehouse back. And it has a new owner now. Did you see that? That's so unfair!